G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a fantastic home, 31 Royal Drive in the popular and centrally located suburb of Kawungan. There is a lot to take in, so let's go and take a look around. You will enjoy the lifestyle and convenience that comes with owning this home in one of Hervey Bay's most popular suburbs of Kawungan, being only minutes away from Hervey Bay's essential amenities including shopping centres, schools, TAFE, university, hospitals, golf course, cafes, restaurants, esplanade and the beach. This sound brick and tile home was completed around 1990 and showcases a light and spacious split level floor plan designed to create an exceptional living retreat positioned on the elevated 1,239 square metre allotment in one of Hervey Bay's most popular streets. Upon entering the home, you will immediately notice the stunning polished hardwood floors which feature across the whole top level. This home features open and connected spaces, allowing light and air to fill this home naturally with the coveted north-south aspect. The vast open plan living and dining area truly does form the heart of this home, which also includes reverse cycle split system air conditioning. The kitchen has been refurbished and features plenty of bench and storage space. Quality appliances include a 5-burner gas cooktop with range hood. You've got a wall oven and a dishwasher. There is a large veranda at the front of this home, as well as that fantastic north-facing outdoor entertaining deck with covered flyover. This is where you will enjoy your morning cuppa with the first light of day, or a refreshing beverage with the last rays of light, while appreciating Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. Staying cool over the warmer summer months is as simple as turning on the split system reverse cycle air conditioning, which flows across the main living and dining area, and you've got a second system in the main bedroom as well. This home also includes a fantastic games or rumpus room on the lower level, which would be ideal for those who have a pool table or are looking for a large craft or office area to run a home business. This area could also make up another bedroom if required, and includes a shower, vanity and toilet, which will be ideal for those friends and guests who are sure to arrive once they know you're living in beautiful Hervey Bay. This home includes 4 spacious bedrooms, all with ceiling fans, and 3 also include built-in wardrobes. The main bedroom includes reverse cycle split system air conditioning and offers direct access outside to the alfresco entertaining area, and you've got a walk-through wardrobe into the ensuite. The bathroom includes a shower, bath and vanity, and there is also a separate powder room with toilet. The laundry includes plenty of linen and storage space and offers access outside to the clothesline via the deck. The oversized double garage offers direct access into the home and does include a remote door, and also offers high entry with drive-through access to the rear of the property. This home also offers established gardens throughout, and you've got a large garden shed down the back for all your lawn maintenance needs. The owners have committed to selling this lovely home and are calling for an immediate sale. So here's your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.